Made from 100% mulberry silk from the inside out, I was intrigued by this pillowy sleep mask. It comes with a silky storage bag for easy portability that preserves the sleep mask during travel. Clearly extra thought went into the design of this product, as the adjustable flocked elastic straps are super soft to protect one's hair in dreamland. Our facial skin is so delicate and needs pampered while we get our Z's, so this skin-friendly sleep mask is ideal when seeking to effectively block out light while still allowing skincare benefits to seep into the skin. Enjoy high-quality deep sleep anytime, even for sneaking a nap.
What? Mom, can you please sign me into YouTube so I can post my videos?
Okay, alright. If you think about it, a sleep mask could be the perfect way to bookend your night and day.